Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about a nice way to make money online from Canva.com by using a wonderful trick most of you haven't known before. And also, I will provide you with all websites, tools, and the steps you need to get more money and to be more successful. However, before I get into today's topic, I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others like this video. And now let's not waste any time and go straight to canva.com. And here on canva.com you will find hundreds and thousands of templates of social media platforms. So quickly to the point, and the first step today in this video is to make templates of social media platforms and sell them as digital products outside Canva. And believe me, these such digital products are very profitable when you sell them the right way and in the right places that we are going to talk about later in this video. Okay, so firstly you have to make templates of any social media platform like Instagram post, Twitter post, LinkedIn banner, Pinterest pin, YouTube thumbnail, and etc. And you can make these templates whether you can make them yourself from your creativity and your passion, or you get inspired by some templates you find in another platform like Freepik or even Google Images, or you can use the ready ones that are found on canva.com after adding your touch by changing fonts, colors, shapes, and etc. Okay, for instance, I will give you an example. You can search for any template like Instagram post. Okay, Instagram post. Okay, and as I said before, you can make it from scratch, or you can use the ready ones here on Canva by adding your touch to make it unique. Okay, so I will give you an example. I will pick one of them. Okay, like this one as an example. Okay, and hence you make some changes and adding some elements to this template to make it unique, like change the color, fonts, and some elements. Okay, and when you are happy with that, just go to download from here. And here is one note you have to know: the best format to sell such digital products is the format which is easily editable or easily to be edited by customer in any professional softwares like Illustrator, Photoshop, and etc. So the best format is EBS. So how to download this template we have made on Canva, even though it is not available here on this downloading options. As you see, there are some downloading options as PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF. Okay, and where is that format of EBS? So this trick you will know in the following steps. You have to download this template firstly in this format, PDF standard. Okay, PDF standard. Focus with me, please. Okay, PDF standard. Download it. Awesome. Perfect. And so going to the next site today is Photopea.com. Photopea.com. It is Photoshop like online editor. Okay, and it's for free, by the way. Then we go to this file. Okay, and we will select our PDF standard file that we have downloaded from canva.com. File. Okay, open. That's our file. Awesome, super easy. And here you will find your template of Instagram post. It's separated into many layers that are easily editable by any customer in any professional software like Illustrator, Photoshop, or even Photopea.com. As you see, all this template into many layers. Okay, perfect. Okay, and to download this PSD file, just go to this file. Okay, and save as PSD. Save. Perfect one. And now, where to sell these digital products to make money online? So the first site today is Etsy.com. And here you can sell your digital products in front of millions of people who are searching for these templates like Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, infographics, YouTube thumbnails, and etc. And you can take advantage of this huge traffic of Etsy. And as you see, you will find all these Instagram post templates are sold very well. Awesome. Stars, 5 stars, 4 stars, and etc. Okay. So one of the biggest platforms to sell your digital products is Etsy.com. Okay. The second site today is templatemonster.com. Here you can buy website templates, plugins, themes, and also you can sell yours, like your templates of social media that you have made on Canva. Okay, so come here to this button, start selling. Okay, click over that, and this page will open up, and here you can become an author. Okay, and here you can get high commission rates, and you will get 65% cut. Okay, and if you are working as an affiliate for this huge platform, you will get 95% cut from such sales as you are affiliate and also as an author at the same time. Okay, and the third place to sell your digital products is creativefabrica.com. And here on creativefabrica.com you will find millions of designs and graphics that are very important for anyone who's working on print on demand, graphic design, and Kindle, Amazon, and etc. Okay, and here you can sell your digital products and your templates as well. So go down a little to this option of selling your designs, and here you can click over this button, open your own shop. Okay, so click over that, and here this page you will get your profit up to 75% on each sale. Okay, that's awesome from Creative Fabrica. Okay, and the last option today to sell your digital products is by opening your own shop, like in coffee.com. And here in coffee.com you can make your own shop for free to sell your digital products and your templates with the prices you want. But here you have to promote your digital products on social media. Okay, and now take the action today and start making templates on Canva and sell them as digital products in the platforms I have mentioned in this video. And here reaches the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. And I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand and affiliate marketing and others. See you in the next video, and goodbye.